Hello scientists, Happy New Year. It's Dr. Pumpkin again with some more amazing science of colour experiments that you can try at home. So, for Christmas, you might have got a toy car like this one, or even a toy bus like this, or perhaps you got some wooden blocks, and maybe you have some chocolate wrappers lying around your house still. Well, that's great, because we can use all of these in today's experiment. You see, the question is this car red or is it black? Watch on to find out. Right, to do this experiment, you're going to need a red toy car, or any red object will do really. You'll also need a strong torch. Now you could just have a torch, or you could use the flashlight on a mobile phone. Make sure you ask whoever owns the phone for permission before you use it. You're also going to need something that will turn the light from your torch green. So if you've got some green cellophane, you could use an elastic band and tie that around your torch. Or if you've got some leftover cellophane from chocolates from Christmas, you could use those too. Or you could use some tape, and you could tape over a flashlight and colour it in with a green felt tip. Or you could use some green crepe paper like this. Cover your torch with it and hold it in place with an elastic band. What colour is this car? Well, it's red, isn't it? Or is it? If we shine green light onto this red car in a darkened room, what colour will we see? If we're working scientifically, now is the time to make a prediction. What is your hypothesis? Will you see a red car? Will you see a green car? Or will it be a different colour altogether? There's only one way to find out. Let's try the experiment. We need to darken the room and shine our green light onto the red object. Right, I have darkened my room and I have covered my flashlight with green crepe paper, and I'm ready to aim it at my red toy car. I wonder what colour it will look like. Let's find out. Well, check that out. That doesn't look red. It looks brown or black. I wonder why that happens. Well, white light is made up of all the colours in the light spectrum, or rainbow, and it comes in waves, just like sound. Visible light ranges from violet to red. Ultraviolet, beyond violet, is not visible to the human eye. Different objects either absorb or reflect different colours of light. So you only perceive this car as red because it absorbs lots of different colours of light wavelengths, like the blue wavelength or the yellow wavelength, and it reflects back the red wavelength to your eye. The green light from the torch doesn't contain any red wavelength, so when you shine it on the red car, the car absorbs the green wavelength and then it doesn't reflect anything back. So instead of seeing it as red, you see it as black. Brilliant, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next month for another Science Sunday. Bye-bye, everybody.